Hello everyone, my name is Vikrant Thakur and I'm a data science student from Ajinkya Patel University. This subject is about time series analysis, where I'm doing this project of rainfall prediction in Python. I've used Google Colabs, Matplotlib, Python, and such data libraries from Python. So first of all, here in this code, you can see that I've imported pandas and other files which need to be uploaded in this code. So here this content on rainfall CSV contains the data that we are going to use. I had used a website called Clever Programmers where I have collected this data from. So just using this head function on this data frame of full data to see what data is. So here you can see there are different columns where parameters like date, location, will be really useful to perform time series data analysis. And the most important parameter here is about the rainfall. Humidity will also matter here. And now if you see, let's see the width of this data. So you can see in the shape, there is about 24 columns and 24,000 rows. So this can be amounted as
a very large data. So yeah, here you can see we have just implemented the information about the data, and it will give the information about data each rows there. What we are going to do is if there is a rain on a specific day, we'll replace the no from the data to 0 and yes will stand for 1. And this is just that we have to replace those data in the place
of these values. So importing plot my plot from matplotlib has plot. What we are going to do is we are going to implement this rainfall data where rainfall has occurred on specific day or not. So here you can see yes was standing for 1 and 0 was standing for 0. So you can see most of the days there is no rainfall, so we can call it as an imbalanced data set. So first we need to correct this. So going ahead, putting sklearn slide resample, and here you can see we have created we are over sampled the data and we have balanced this data using this code. And using Seaborn we have just created a heat map of this seasonal value. And the most important thing about working with data is data pre-processing. So we are detecting outliers with IQR here. We have created two quartiles with like 0.25 and 0.75 first, and then IQR will be Q3 minus the first quartile. So it will give us the outliers detected in each and every column. And to remove to handle this outliers, what we are going to do, we are going to remove all the outliers. Lastly, we have created a correlation map between each and variable, where you can see the darkest shows the least dark brown shows the least correlation between two variables, and blue shows the highest one. Yeah. So I've created many models in this rainfall prediction bucket for such models like logistic regression, decision tree, neural network, random forest, SG boost, yeah, light GM, cat boost, XG boost, and this all. And lastly, what we are going to do is after creating this model, we are going to compare which of them works better for our data. So here in results you can see that SG boost provided the most accuracy, and the method used to calculate which of to compare this model was Cohen kappa. Then you can see the least good or accurate machine learning model for rainfall prediction was logistic regression, and the best was SG boost and neural network. So this was a conclusion from our project, where we found that XG boost can be very useful for rainfall prediction if you are working in Python. हाँ तो भाई इसको बंद कैसे करते हैं?